Welcome back everyone to another exciting video on making money online for beginners in 2023. Today, we have a game-changing topic for you. Beginners make 2,587.74 source per day using these traffic sources. So, if you're looking to kickstart your online income, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. But before we get into the specifics, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making strategies. Now, let's talk about these traffic sources that can help beginners make serious cash online. 1. Introduction to traffic sources. In the vast landscape of making money online, it's essential to understand that a multitude of traffic sources are at your disposal, and harnessing these sources can significantly impact your success. Today, we're going to delve into the most effective strategies tried and tested by accomplished online entrepreneurs to help you achieve your financial goals as a beginner in the online realm. It's a digital era where opportunities are abundant, and learning how to navigate through the multitude of traffic sources can be your key to financial independence. Whether you're interested in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation, or any other online venture, knowing how to attract and engage your target audience is the cornerstone of success. Throughout this video, we'll explore various avenues, from organic traffic through platforms like YouTube and blogging, to the power of social media marketing, paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads, and the promising realm of affiliate marketing. 2. Organic traffic, YouTube and blogging. Let's kick things off by delving into the world of organic traffic. It's a method that involves attracting visitors naturally without paid promotion by consistently providing valuable, high-quality content. Two standout platforms for this strategy are YouTube and blogging. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine, and creating engaging, informative video content can draw viewers interested in your niche. Likewise, blogging offers a written form of expression, allowing you to capture the attention of readers seeking in-depth information. Consistency is key in building your organic audience. As you consistently deliver top-notch content, you'll establish trust and credibility within your niche. Over time, this dedicated audience can become loyal followers, eager to consume your content, share it, and even purchase products or services you recommend, creating a pathway for monetization. 3. Social media marketing. Moving on to another dynamic avenue, let's explore the realm of social media marketing. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at your disposal, you have the perfect stage to showcase and promote your products or services. These platforms are treasure troves for beginners looking to gain visibility, drive traffic, and boost sales. Social media offers an unparalleled opportunity to engage with a vast audience that is often already segmented by interests and demographics. As a beginner, you can effectively utilize these platforms to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and drive targeted traffic to your website or online store. We'll discuss the strategies, tools, and best practices that can empower you to make a compelling impact in the social media landscape, even if you're just starting out. So, stay tuned to learn how to leverage these platforms to your advantage. 4. Paid advertising. Now let's dive into the realm of paid advertising, an avenue for those who seek rapid results in their online endeavors. It's a potent strategy that can propel your products or services into the spotlight. We'll focus on two major players in the paid advertising arena: Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Google Ads allows you to bid on specific keywords, ensuring your ads appear when users search for relevant terms. Facebook Ads, on the other hand, leverages the vast user data on the platform to target ads to a highly segmented audience. As a beginner, understanding how these platforms work and how to allocate your budget effectively is crucial. We'll discuss ad creation, targeting, budget management, and the art of crafting compelling ad copy. Additionally, we'll delve into strategies for maximizing your return on investment, ROI, ensuring that every dollar spent translates into valuable traffic and, ultimately, sales. So, if quick results are what you're after, paid advertising may be your ticket to online success. Stay tuned for the insights and tips that will help you navigate this dynamic landscape. 5. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's explore one of the most popular and rewarding paths for beginners to make money online: affiliate marketing. This strategy allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. We'll guide you through the essential steps, starting with finding the right products or services to promote. We'll discuss how to identify profitable niches, choose reputable affiliate programs, and select products that align with your target audience's interests and needs. Success in affiliate marketing hinges on effective strategies, and we've got you covered. From content creation and SEO optimization to email marketing and social media promotion, we'll provide you with a comprehensive toolkit to boost your affiliate marketing efforts. You'll learn how to craft persuasive content, employ marketing techniques, and analyze performance metrics to refine your approach continually. 6. Action steps. Making money online is not only possible, but within your reach as a beginner. However, it demands dedication and a strategic choice of the right traffic sources. Whether you opt for organic methods, delve into the world of social media, embrace paid advertising, or explore the possibilities of affiliate marketing, the common key to success is consistency and providing genuine value to your audience. Your action steps are straightforward. Select a traffic source that resonates with your goals and interests. Begin creating compelling content or promoting relevant products and services. Above all, maintain unwavering consistency in your efforts and never give up on your online journey. Your persistence can turn your online aspirations into tangible results. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know which traffic source you plan to use. Also, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who are looking to make money online. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can join our growing community of online entrepreneurs. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, with the right strategies and the right traffic sources, you can make money online as a beginner. Until next time, stay hustling and keep learning.